Experiencing rapid battery drain on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max after updating to iOS 26? You're not alone. The new AI driven features like real time translation and enhanced AR in iOS 26 can strain your battery. However, optimizing settings and understanding key concepts can significantly improve battery life. First, check your battery health in Settings, Battery Health. Lithium ion batteries degrade over time. Each full charge cycle reduces capacity. Also, be aware of background app refresh, which allows apps to update in the background but can consume significant power. Keep your iOS updated to the latest version, as updates often include battery optimizations, like the 15 to 20% improvement seen with iOS 26.1. To fix battery drain, disable background app refresh for unnecessary apps in Settings, General, Background app refresh. Enable low power mode to reduce performance by 20% and extend battery life considerably. Adjust charging habits. Use official chargers and avoid prolonged wireless charging to prevent heat-related degradation. For specific apps, check battery usage in Settings Battery to identify power-hungry culprits. Consider resetting network settings if connectivity issues are contributing to drain. If problems persist, a forced restart can resolve software glitches. If issues still persist, reach out to Apple support to see if it may be a more serious issue.